What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger. All right, so in today's video we have an absolute treat. So if you're into camping, if you're into gear related videos, this is the video for you, because we are stepping up our camping gear today. So of course, before we get into today's video, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. If you see anything that you like in today's video, it will be linked down below in the description. But without further ado, check this out. So as you guys can see, Bluetti, a portable power station. If you're interested in the model that I have now, it is the EB3A. I've already unboxed this thing, I've already used it, but I had to package it up so that you guys could see how nicely this thing is actually packaged. Inside you get some cables. This manual is so well written. It has so much information. If you buy any of their products, go through this. I promise you it'll help you out tremendously. And here is the charger. Bada boom, bada bing. If this isn't the most prettiest thing that you've ever seen. This is a power bank, 600 watt power bank. As you guys already know, a lot of the times my camera, my batteries will go dead. No way to use my phone, no way to do anything without power. Quick overview, we'll go over the specs in a little bit, but you can put your phone up here. Down here, you got the 120 volts. This is for your output. Now, if you want to charge it, this is your input. You can plug it in there and it'll charge the battery. You got two USBs, USB-C, and then you got a 12 volt in here. This has a light on it, which is so sick. It's actually super bright. I will try to remember to show you guys it at night. It blinded me the first time I used it. It's at 100% battery. Put your phone up here. So as you guys can see, it's not charging. Press the button and it's charging. It's 11:32 a.m. We're supposed to be at our site at 1, but we do got a really nice campsite. The weather was supposed to be super cold, hence why I am in sweatpants, but it's now 85 degrees and the sun is, well, hey sun, how are ya? So if you're interested in today's video, please stay tuned. We got a lot planned. As you guys can see, we are going to make a second attempt at grilling. We bought some cast iron pans. Hopefully they work. We plan on making burgers this trip. So without further ado, let's get everything packed up and let's hit the road. And just like that, we're at home sweet home for the weekend. Truck is parked. This is the site that we got. It's a lot better than the group sites. I don't know how this site was available. We looked last minute and it was just there, so why not? Also, this is probably going to be the coolest spot I've set up a tent ever, I think. It has its own little barrier. We got some stuff that we got to take care of because spiders and I do not mix well. And that's a cool looking spider, but sorry buddy, I don't like sleeping with you. We got our electricity there. We got our water here. We got some stuff to grill, which I'm super excited. It looks like the last people poured water and they left that piece of wood there, so hopefully maybe that works. I don't know, but we got our bag of charcoal, so we should be a-okay. So what we're about to do now is we're going to set up camp and we're going to prepare lunch. Lunch today is probably going to be the best lunch I've had in a very long time, thanks to Chef Sandy. We brought Lunchables. We packed Lunchables. That's for later. So I got a little distracted, but we set up a fire, which is absolutely sick. This was my first time setting up a successful fire. So we're about to start preparing lunch, and by we, I mean Sandy, and by what I'm gonna do, I'll set up the tent. My dad was helping me out with my truck. Don't know why we needed a hammer, but I have a hammer, so setting up the tent should be a breeze. This is exactly what I'm talking about. The spider's gone. Yeah, spider's gone. All right, well, babe, we gotta move. What happened? There was a big spider here and it's missing. It's in the tent. I like onions a lot, so I'm about to season those with a little bit of salt and pepper. That's Andy's, that's mine. Almost done. So we got provolone cheese, we got the onions, we got the buns with butter on them so that they can get nice and crispy. Then we got some sauce over here. Is that the sauce? Yeah. Ketchup, mustard, barbecue, mayonnaise, and pickles. Delicious. You got to try it. You gotta try it. All right, so now let's get these bad boys onto a plate. This thing is juicy. It is ready. I will be honest with you guys. I'm not gonna be one of those fake YouTubers that makes food and is like, oh my God, this is delicious. Unless it's really delicious. You guys know Chef Gordon Ramsay tells you have to let the burger sit for a little bit. All right, you gotta let the burger sit so the juices. I don't know why, but I've heard him say that. So that's Sandy's. Yours looks so good. Update. Halfway into the burger, I'm stuffed. That was pretty banging. That was some good food. Time to set up camp and finalize everything, because this hammock on the ground, yeah, not too fond of it. I don't know. I think I can put it on that one and this one. Nice. So hammock was a success right there to there. A-okay. Now it's time for the mattress, but also I get to use the power generator. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by its toe. For this, it is a 12 volt because it's meant to be used with the vehicle. You just plug this bad boy in, turn it on, plug this bad boy into there. What's really cool is it shows you how much power it's actually pulling while it's being used. So let me show you. This is nice. First and foremost, it's gonna be this battery. I purposely didn't charge it just so I could charge it today. So you just plug that in, turn the power button on. My phone doesn't need it, but why not? Let's just go ahead and put that bad boy up there. Not only is my phone charging wirelessly, so is this light. So that's always a benefit. So we're gonna let this sit here, let it obviously fully charge. Then we will see how much of the battery drained and how much battery is left. One thing I have noticed about camping, when it's cold, water is extremely hard to make it hot. Obviously, okay, that was pretty obvious. But right now that there's some sun, I'm gonna fill this thing up and let it sit in the sun. Hopefully, so that it's at least lukewarm by the time we need to actually use it. Oh God, oh, nice. First try. So where should I put it? I think right here. Oh gosh. Gee. Also, this was the first time this has ever happened to me. I think ever. I was driving into this place, right, to this campsite, and this guy in a sick Tundra. Okay, I peeped his suspension. He has some pretty sick suspension. I think he was on Icon. He like waves me down and I wave, you know, just being polite. And I put my window down because he like, you know, signals me to put my window down. He was like, I watch your videos. I was like, no way. And he was like, yeah, I watch your videos, blah, blah. And then his passenger laughed and I was like, well, this is crazy. My first fan encounter. That was actually very, very cool. Very, very nice of him. Shout out to you. I didn't get your name or anything. Like I said, I'm awkward in person. So I was like starstruck by him saying hi to me. So I got this product early September. So since early September, I have been testing it out, using it, and really enjoying how good it actually is. So I got this on a Friday, and then I used it Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday hit, and I, you know, put it to charge. It was closer to 0. I can't remember. I think it might have been at 5. I kid you not. In 30 minutes, this thing can get up to 80% charge. I will say when I first got it, I saw how small it was and I was kind of a little bit on the skeptical side, I'm not gonna lie. But in my 2 to 3 weeks of using it, boy, oh boy, this thing can pack a punch. This is one of the things that they did include in their email. And I just want to bring it up. For me, I only will be using one of these options, but it's really cool to know that you can have more than one option for this. So it has 6 ways to recharge it. So you can just do your standard, you know, wall port, plug it in at home, and you can charge it up before a trip. You can even get some solar panels set up with this bad boy and get it charged via solar. Today would be a great day to do that. You can also plug this thing into the car and it'll also charge. There's a lot of ways to charge this. 6 ways. Makes you feel good, makes you know that no matter what, you will always have some way of charging it, always having some way to keep it topped off. So, I realized I put 2 things to charge that don't indicate when they're actually done. And I've been sitting here waiting for them to be done. We'll call it there. I know you're not going to be happy about this, but I think I'm going to eat my Lunchable. We're definitely going to make more burgers for dinner. Yeah. I'm okay with eating burgers twice a day. A little fire for Sandy. Also, I just sat on a wet seat, so that feels great. I kid you not. If I put that burger next to your favorite $30 burger, you would choose mine. I'm excited for these. Sun. Capri Sun? Capri? Capri or Capru?
Hand it over.
Capri Sun? Is it Capri or Capri?
Capri Sun.
Capri Sun?
Capri. Capri Sun. Remember whenever there was like a rumor that there was what is that called? Like bacteria or something living inside of the juice box?
And people were punching it open to see it.
So me, Denny, and Allie, we went to Walmart and bought 3 boxes of Capri Sun and cut open every single juice box, looking for the worm or whatever it was that was living in there.
I'm gonna take a wild guess and say you didn't find it.
No, we didn't find it.
So I accidentally kind of maybe fell asleep with this thing on. The spotlight of this thing is absolutely insane. So I'm gonna get that started because the fire is probably the most important thing right now. We're gonna start up this fire. We're gonna get our burgers on the grill, and well, we're gonna grill out. All right, so now we got the fire going. We got the pans heating up. We got the burgers prepped. Everything is good to go. We just gotta wait for it to heat up.
He learned his lesson, guys. Look at how much pepper.
Yeah, last time I overdid it on the pepper, and I honestly think Sandy did this time. So we're just gonna reheat the onions that we had. I didn't realize we used the whole onion. I think this one's mine. I think that one's Sandy. Buns are being toasted. I got pickles over here. Sandy isn't a fan of pickles. I got onion. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of barbecue sauce. Chris Lacey, come on, buddy. You got this barbecue sauce or not? I'm a fan of setting everything up for s'mores, but I'm not a fan of eating s'mores. But today we got an invention. We're gonna do graham crackers, of course, marshmallows, of course, and then a Reese's cup. So I definitely forgot to buy the sticks for the s'mores. And, well, we're gonna have to improvise. Slowly. Alright. Now I have to find a marshmallow. Marshmallow found. Now I need to find a way to put said marshmallow over the fire. I wouldn't recommend this, but I didn't get the sticks, so. What do you say if someone watches you watching my videos? Nah, he does this. Alright, it's good. It's starting to jiggle. Not gonna lie, the marshmallow isn't as melted as I wanted it to be, but here goes nothing. Lucy likes to look absolutely sick over here. We have made it to a part of the video that I've actually been looking forward to. My camera's about to die. There's a spider there. I don't know why spiders like my truck. I kid you not, there's probably... I'm serious, there's probably like 4 or 5 spiders inside my truck that I've seen inside the truck. Haven't had the chance to get them out. Obviously, I can't show you this part, but I'm about to plug in my battery, let it charge. Me and Sandy are gonna go for a walk. Yay! And then I'll be back and see how much battery I have. Time to clean up. We have everything pretty much put away. The water, trash, I don't think there's even anything in there. Take this flashlight. This is my handy dandy, trusty flashlight that I thought I lost, but I didn't. We're gonna turn this guy off here. That's pretty much gonna wrap up the night. I will see you guys in the morning. I do have some plans for the morning. I wanna do some hot chocolate. So let's see how that goes. I'm gonna sit you guys down. I'll see you guys in the morning. Well, it's the morning time now. It is 9, come on camera focus, 9:45. I woke up at 7:58 and I was like, okay, let me just do 5 more minutes, and then it turned into 9 o'clock. So 9 o'clock now. We're heating up some water because we wanted to make some hot chocolate. So hot chocolate, and I'm about to brush my teeth. Whoa! Relax, buddy.
Him trying to get away from us. Whoa!
Did you just try to scare me, by the way?
I did. Haters going, hey, I'm eating a lunch for breakfast.
It's time to pack up and hit the road. We got a very busy day. It is 10:12. We usually leave at like 1, pushing 1:30 because of the missus. She likes to stay here very, very long. So I got to clean up everything. Actually, thankfully, it's not too much. So just that tent, the hammock. Got to pick up those gloves, put those back in the truck. Ball. Oh, the lights. I forgot my lights. So that light and that light. So we've cleaned up everything major at least. We just have that last pan, a couple other things to put away, but this is going to conclude today's video. the camping trip and the review, fun. It was amazing. I can't believe how much this thing actually helped. Such a small, compact little thing can do so much. So again, if you're interested, it will be linked down below. Check it out. The price is, again, unbeatable. Compare it, look around. I don't think you'll find anything better than this. Shout out to the company Bluetti for sending this out. I do appreciate it as always. But with all that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, a like, a comment, and a subscription. But nonetheless, it's been your boy, I'm out of like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.